Take a look at this stunning AI animation video. It was completely generated with an AI tool called Magic Light AI. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use it to bring your own AI-generated characters to life and create stunning, viral-worthy AI animations videos, all in just a few minutes. Whether you're a content creator looking to make viral AI videos, or just someone curious about the future of AI animation, this video will walk you through the entire process, from script generation to full AI animation video with Magic Light AI, so you can start creating your own viral AI-powered movies today. So stay with me till the end, because you won't want to miss a single step. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and search magiclight.ai, or simply click the link in the description below. Once you're there, click Start for free and sign up if you haven't already. You can create an account using your Google account, Discord, or email. It's super quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Magic Light AI homepage, where you'll find a collection of stunning AI-generated animations. Take a moment to explore. Click on any sample to preview the animations and see the impressive storytelling techniques and effects in action. It's mind-blowing that all of this is created using just one AI tool. Now head back to the homepage and you'll notice two key features. AI Video. This lets you create a fully animated project from scratch. AI Character. This feature allows you to design consistent, realistic AI characters. With these features at your fingertips, you're just minutes away from creating your own AI-powered animation video. All right, let's start by creating our AI character. Click on AI Character and you'll be taken to the character creation interface. Now let's bring our character to life. First, select the gender. Choose between male or female. Next, click on Category and select Human. Then, pick the age group. Whether you want your character to be a child, teen, adult, or senior. Now select the style you want your character to be like. You can choose from options like Disney, realistic, or anime. For this video, we'll go with realistic. If you want your AI character to look exactly like you, simply upload your image. For this tutorial, we'll use an image of Drake. You can also upload a clothing image to customize your character's outfit. Next, let's refine the details. In the character prompt section, click on hair and describe the hairstyle you want. Then, do the same for skin, eyes, and clothing, making your character as unique as possible. Once you're happy with the details, below you can specify what you want your AI character to do in the images. After everything is set, click Create and Magic Light AI will start generating your character. In just a few minutes, you'll have your fully designed, realistic AI character. If you want to create consistent images of this character, simply tweak the gestures and outfits in the character prompt. That's it. Your AI character is ready to shine. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for, creating our own AI animated video. Head back to the homepage, click on AI Video, and you'll be taken to the creation interface. Magic Light has integrated DeepSeek R1, which delivers excellent results in story writing, story breakdown, and image prompt generation, all in one place. Isn't that amazing? In the prompt section, you have two options. Generate from prompt. Just type in your idea, or continue clicking on the sample ideas below until you find one that fits your vision. Use my content. If you already have a script, simply paste it in, and Magic Light AI will handle the rest. Free accounts can generate up to 3,000 characters of prompts. Once you're done with the prompt section, choose the aspect ratio. For YouTube, go with 16:9. For TikTok, choose 9:16. Next, click on Video Language and select the language that suits your audience. Magic Light supports multiple languages. Next, choose your video style. Choose from painting, realistic, or Disney. For this video, we'll go with the Disney style for that magical and cinematic look. Once everything is set, click on Next to proceed. Magic Light AI will automatically break down your text into numbered scenes, each representing a key moment in your animation. You can edit, rearrange, or delete any scene to fine-tune your story. Once everything looks perfect, click Next to move on. Now it's time to bring our characters to life. Magic Light automatically detects the characters in our scenes and assigns them a role. To speed up the process, click AutoCast and let AI automatically generate the key characters for you in seconds. If you are not satisfied with the auto-generated characters, no problem. Click on any character to edit their details. You can modify their name, voice, gender, and age, or even create a completely custom character from scratch. You also have the option to select from a library of pre-made characters. Then do the same and create the other character in the scene. Once you've finalized all your characters, click Next and let's move forward. The next step is Storyboard. This is where we generate and animate all the images for our scenes. As you can see, Magic Light AI has automatically generated an image for every scene in your script. Take a moment to go through them one by one, making sure they match the vision you have for your animation. If any image doesn't look quite right, no worries. You can easily refine it by simply clicking on Redraw. Then modify the image prompt if necessary and hit Regenerate. In just a few moments, a fresh new image will be created based on your updated instructions. Keep refining until you're completely satisfied with the visuals. Once the images are set, next click on the speaker, and you'll find a variety of AI-generated voice options to choose from. Take your time to preview different voices, ensuring the tone and emotion fit your characters perfectly. When you find the right one, simply select it, and Magic Light will sync it with your scenes. Now it's time to animate our images. Choose a scene and click Animate. For the best quality animation results, you can use tools like Animate Pro, Runway, or Hilo AI, which specialize in turning static images into dynamic, professional-looking animation. These tools add fluid motion to your scenes, making them feel more natural and engaging. Next, there are two animation modes to choose from. Intelligent Generation. Based on the screen, AI automatically animates your image based on its content, creating realistic movement without the need for manual input. Generated from customized prompts. This mode gives you more control, allowing you to provide specific prompts to guide how your characters and scenes are animated. Select the mode that best fits your creative vision, then click OK and let the AI do its magic. Now repeat this process for all your images until every scene in your animation has been fully animated. Once the animations are complete, preview them to see how they flow together. If anything feels off or doesn't quite match your expectations, don't worry. You can simply click Reanimate, and Magic Light will generate a fresh new version for you. Keep refining and adjusting until you're completely happy with the final result. Once everything is polished and looking exactly the way you want, click Next to proceed. We're now at the final step, which is editing. First, choose the perfect cover image for your video. This will be the first thing people see, so pick an eye-catching scene that best represents your animation. Once you've selected the image, browse through the cover style title options below and choose the one that fits your video's theme. Next, click on the subtitle option and select a style that complements your video. Subtitles not only improve accessibility, but also keep viewers engaged. Now click on Music, and you'll find a list of soundtracks to choose from. Preview different options and select the one that best matches the mood of your animation. Once you've picked the right track, adjust the volume so that it doesn't overpower the voiceover. When everything is set, click Generate and select your video ratio, then click OK and let Magic Light AI work its magic. The AI will now process everything and generate your fully animated, high-quality video. And here's the best part. Videos created with Magic Light AI are fully available for commercial use. You can monetize them, upload them on any platform, and never have to worry about copyright issues. Once your video is ready, simply download it straight to your device. Preview. Now let's take a look at our final result.
A little girl named Luna chases a glowing golden feather through a whimsical forest, giggling as it flutters just out of reach. Talking animals cheer her on: a wise old owl, a playful rabbit, and a tiny excitable squirrel. The feather suddenly stops mid-air and shimmers with magic. Luna gently takes it and the Owl King appears, telling her, "This is a wishing feather. Make one wish from the heart." She closes her eyes and whispers, "I wish my village had light at night so no one is ever afraid." The feather bursts into golden sparkles rising into the sky. Suddenly, the stars shine brighter than ever before. Luna gasps in awe as the animals cheer and the Owl King nods. A true wish is one made for others. As Luna runs home, her village glows under the brightest, most magical night sky ever seen.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Have any questions? Drop them in the comment section below.